So hello ladies and gentlemen and parents and teachers. I am Krishna Sharma from Legal Department of Sai International Public School. It is with an immense honor and profound pleasure for me that I am here through video. I feel very enthusiastic to sharing my intensity blueprints for those parents who are certainly usually facing such kind of obsession when their children does not follow a assigned work by their parents. Fast forward. Substantial role of parents is to what to do at the time when your child side away your instruction before other people. According to me, pause for a moment because it's a very severe condition for your children. And before going ahead discussion, I want to clear state that this video is only for those parents whose children are studying in nursery to second standard, because it's a very crucial age for your children. Rationally never try to give that order to your children, nor hard instructions, nor punishments. These are not a correct way to treat kids. Just endeavor this situation opportunity by taking some cup of water with cool mind and renounce your statement before your students that like beta, let us try to do better this work together. It may be any work. आपने अपने बच्चे को बोला बिस्तर जमाओ, भाई ये काम करो, भाई वो काम करो, बच्चा बोलेगा भाई मैं क्यों करूँ? यूजुअली यही प्रॉब्लम्स आती है. ओके, सो आपको क्या करना है? बच्चे को बोलना है बेटा आज हम दोनों मिलकर बिस्तर जमाना सीखेंगे, देखते हैं कौन अच्छा बिस्तर जमाता है, आप या मैं. Meanwhile, just collab with your students. These are core principles for this solution. Now you will see your pronunciation order will help your child to be great in their life. At least reboot your child facing struggles, troubles, resilience, anxiety before exams, because it will zeal child's mindsets. You know, I want to share my some personal habits in this video that usually I scroll shorts and Insta, Facebook 40 to 45 minutes every day for update purpose. I saw one video, that's a very good statement. That's why I've recorded in my mind for my life principles that your child aptitude will help your child creativity and your child positive attitude will help to establish confidence level, and these two main principles compendably will decide your child altitude level for success path. My principal मैम हमेशा एक बात कहती है कि आपके बच्चे एक पौधा है, उसको जैसा आप सींचेंगे वो उसी तरह उगेगा, जैसा बेच देंगे वो उसी तरफ डायरेक्शन में उगेगा. क्योंकि जब पेड़ बड़ा हो जाता है और उसकी ग्रोथ गलत डायरेक्शन में हो जाती है ना, तो उसका ऑप्शन केवल काटना ही होता है. रिमेंबर इट. यही जगत की रीत है एंड यही उस श्री कृष्ण का गीत है. मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत है. जय श्री राम एंड राधे राधे. लाइक दिस. थैंक यू.